Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do something different. You know, it's been on my hair for a while, so I feel like I wanted to do a cute pink and green combo some kind of way. So this is what I came up with. Then I want to put it together to do a tutorial for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. But before we get started, you guys know what to do. If you have not already subscribed, please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also too, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Without further ado, let's get started. I have already primed my face using my Glam, if I'm saying that right, Glam Lore primer. I'll have a review coming on this primer later, so stay tuned for that. I went ahead and did my brows and everything, and I completed my eyelid base with Laying Low Paint Pot by MAC. Okay, so we're going to go in with the James Charles palette. That's the palette I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to start with my transition color. We're going to be using these two colors in the crease. We're going to be starting off with 10% off and Code James. I'm going to start with the lighter shade first. Just going to pack it on, push it in. You want to pack this on thick. I'm going to go in with my darker brown. And you kind of want to control it. You want to keep it underneath the first transition color, because you don't want transition color all up here. That's what you don't want that. So your eyes should be looking something like this. Then we're going to go with this next shade here. This shade right here. No Beans. Put that into your... Also press that down to your crease, but keep it below your first transition color. We'll blend out everything at the top later. Social Blade right here, the lighter green, and Daddy. Okay, but first we're going to go in with the darker shade. Okay, we're going to go in with Daddy first, and then we're going to do Social Blade. Outer corner, inner corner. I'm going to lightly connect it here, because this will be a halo eye. Then I'm going to take another blending brush while I'm at it, and I'm going to go ahead and smooth out my outer crease area. And the color that I'm going to use for that is 518. I'm going to be using 518, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to stay very close to the edges of that transition color and lightly blend out. I'm going to go back in with my Daddy, which is the green. I'm going to pat this back on. You want this as solid and as dark as possible. You can connect it a little bit at the top. It's optional if you want to or not. You really don't have to. Without adding any product, go back with that transition brush again and smooth out those edges. I'm going to take a little It Cosmetics. This is a color correcting cream. I'm going to take this and use it to cut my crease in the middle so we can create the halo effect. So, and the shade that this is in, this is light. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. So now I'm going to take my Stila Cosmetics Rockin' Rose. It's a glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow. Okay, you guys, I've zoomed in a little bit, so hopefully you guys can see this better. When I look at it in my mirror, it's like pink iridescent. On camera, it looks gold. So But I'm sure those of you who have the color, you know what this is. You know what this can do. Okay, so then we're going to go back in with a little bit more Daddy. Actually, no, we're going to go ahead and go in with Social Blade, which is the lighter green. And we're just going to smooth the edges out just a little bit. And you got to work fast with this because it does kind of crease a little bit. Okay, so we're going to go back in with Daddy, the darker green, and darken up the edges. So I'm going to finish the other eye off camera, do lashes, liner, mascara, and then I'll be back so we can finish up on the face. Okay, so you guys, I'm back. I've just completed the my eyes. I've added liner, lashes, mascara. So I'm going to set my face with a little bit of Sasha Buttercup translucent powder first, lightly, not heavy, just lightly in the areas that I get oily. I'm going to use a little light powder brush to do it. So I'm going to go back to my 187 MAC brush to apply my foundation. For foundation today, you guys, I'm going to use, of course, my Lancome 10 Idol Ultra Wear in 460 2W. Just going to add a few pumps of this. I don't want to apply this with my hands, so I'm just going to add a few pumps to my face. And I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, for my concealer, I'm going to add a little bit of NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer. It's in the shade Golden, number 13. Okay, and I'm going to quickly buff that in. Okay, now it's time for a little setting powder, Sasha Buttercup. So I'm going to dust all this powder off. I've been setting for like at least a minute or two. Maybe not even a minute. I'm going to dust this off with a little dark mineralized skin finish. And now I'm going to bronze up with my Anastasia by Beverly Hills in Mahogany. Go in with a little bit of MAC Fix and NW50 Studio Fix powder. Just a little bit of fix. I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of my setting powder. I'm going to use a highlighter brush from Morphe. I'm sorry, Mikasa. This is a F120 brush. And I'm going to highlight on the high points of my cheeks. Now let us do lips. No, you know what? Let us do blush. I need to add another blush. I put on my contour, put on my bronzer. Now I need to do blush. And I think for blush, I'm going to use Peaches by MAC. It's my favorite blush. It's this one right here. It looks a lot darker than it appears on camera. I don't know why it looks like that. So I'm going to take that same blush brush and just add a little peach. So I'm going to go in with Snob lipstick. Then I'm going to go in with this lip butter by NYX. It's a butter gloss. And the shade is Madeline. I'm going to use Cork lip liner. You guys know I always use Cork lip liner. And I always use Cork lip liner because, I don't know, I feel like that lip liner is just like the perfect nude for my lip. Okay, you guys, so that completes my look for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for the next video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.